Quater car model is a simplified model for calculating vehicle ride and handling behavior. M1 is sprung mass, M2 is unsprung mass, K1 and C1 are suspension, spring constant and damping coefficient. K2, C2 are stiffness and damping coefficient of tire. U is input from ground. Force equation can be written for mass M1 and M2. External force is equal to mass into acceleration plus spring force plus damping force. Applying Laplace transform, transfer function can be calculated. This code is written for calculating the response. This is response with mentioned values of parameters. Bode plot is a graph of frequency response of the system. It is a combination of magnitude plot and phase plot. Magnitude plot or gain plot express magnitude of the frequency response. Phase plot express the phase shift. For calculating Bode plot, S, that is the complex variable, is replaced with j omega. Natural frequency or pole is identified by phase shift in the phase plot. Chart shows poles and zeros of transfer function. There is a pole at omega is equal to 7 radians per second and 70 radians per second. That is at frequency of 1 Hz and 11 Hz. The real part of the pole represents the rate of decay. Considering sprung mass, springs are in series and equivalent spring stiffness is K1 K2 divided by K1 plus K2. For unsprung mass, springs are in parallel and equivalent spring stiffness is K1 plus K2. Ride frequency and wheel frequency can be calculated by formula F is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of K by M. Graph shows Bode plot with damping values 1500 and 4000 Newton second per meter. Gain at resonance is reduced with higher damping value of 4000 Newton second per meter.